Today, I would like to introduce to you my MXYS6-1100 Type 6 Color 8 Group printing machine. Vivid colors can be accurately reproduced. Meet the demand for prints with high color requirements. Suitable for BOPP, PET, PVC, PE, etc. Multicolor continuous printing of roll-shaped film materials. An advanced tension control system is adopted. Excellent performance of the register system. It can control the flatness of the unwinding film and reduce printing waste. When printing, the ink is filled to the concave part of the graphic text. The excess ink on the surface of the plate is then scraped off by a squeegee. The embossing cylinder then presses the film onto the plateithis, completing the printing. Gravure printing machines are capable of achieving detailed images and rich color gradations. In particular, it excels in printing packaging materials. Gravure printing has a thick ink layer. Prints have good gloss and durability, and the printing speed is fast, suitable for large-scale production. Finally, the dried printed product is rewound by the winding device to complete the entire printing process.